Hi, welcome to Technic Force Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to set up scheduled and on-demand webinars on Webinarloop. Let's begin. On the previous video, we have set up the just-in-time webinar. This time, we'll set up the scheduled webinar. So on Webinar Type, click on Scheduled. Then, click on Submit. Then on the sidebar section, click on Videos. You'll need to provide the URL of the video you want to use as the main video for the webinar. And we support YouTube, Vimeo, Vistia, Dailymotion, or a direct MP4 link. So choose your platform and enter in the video URL. Add the video length and click on Submit. Then your webinar video will be updated successfully. Now back to the sidebar, click on Schedule. Notice how the other tab turned from dark color to light. That means they are complete. If we click on the pending button, it will show us that details and videos are already complete. Now the next step is Schedule. Now to set up the schedule, here on the Schedules tab, we will create a schedule. You can choose an on date with a specific day and time, or a recurring schedule with a specific day and time. So let me choose on date for a single date. Then, choose the day and time. Then don't forget to select your time zone. After that, click on Schedule Webinar button. And it will be updated successfully. You will see it on the list below. If you want to delete it, just click on this button. And if you want to add more, just repeat the process. For a recurring schedule, let me choose every, and choose a specific day. And of course, time. And don't forget to select the time zone. After that, again click on Schedule Webinar button. And it will be added on the repeat day schedule list. You can see the time zone, the time and day, and the type. Now if we click on Pending again, you'll see that it's complete. And that is how you set up a scheduled webinar. Now if you want to set up an on-demand webinar, again on Webinar Details, just click on Demand, and click on Submit. And when our page refreshes, you'll notice that the Schedule tab disappeared from our sidebar section, because we have chosen On Demand for the webinar type. And that is how easy it is to set up your scheduled and on-demand webinar here on Webinarloop. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.